It always seems like just when things are going great, something's got to change. Hello, preppers. Yeah, a little bit of a change of schedule today. Hold on, there's old prepper cat down there. She's not feeling too hot today. She got into something, and now things are coming out of both ends. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video, hold on, let me sit down over here real quick. The purpose of this video is to let you know that there's been a schedule change, that I will not be doing a live feed today. I may make some other videos today, just popping in here and there. I have a normal meeting that I have on the 6th of January that has been moved up to today. So I got to be at that meeting during the live stream time. But all is well. All is well. And let's see. Keep an eye on the news. Suez Canal's good. If you guys didn't know about that little incident yesterday, you might want to look it up. Let's see, digital currency. Digital currency looks like is a go, so it's going to be an issue. Let's see, Starbucks is of October 1st will no longer take dollar bills, which should be interesting for their business model. I'm going to give it a big go. Let's see, what else is going on? I think that's about it. Hopefully I'm not going to waste a lot of your time with this video. Because I know that you're busy and I'm busy and so on and so forth. And once again, I apologize that I can't make a live stream today, but real life takes priority, and you will see me tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern. As always, till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. And for my friend who I have not forgotten, just for you, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it, and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me, the price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.